Hey, what's up YouTube? Down the Fix It Man. Got another quick video here for you. I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your 2014 Toyota Camry. Part number I got is 3684, and this is just a micro guard. Picked this up locally at O'Reilly, and it's real easy to do. The cabin air filter is hidden inside the glove box here. Go ahead and open the glove compartment and empty everything out. All right, and you can see this little access door here. Just one tab on this side. We can pull that off and take this out. And then there's two little tabs, one on either side of the little cabin air filter cover. Just kind of reach in there and you can see it's just like this, just this little squeeze tab. Just do that on both sides and pull this off. All right, and then let's just pull out the old cabin air filter. Oh boy. Oh, this one is definitely full of all kinds of junk, including up here. I think we might have a mouse issue here, but let's get that vacuumed out. All right, so we might have a little bit of a mouse issue here, so we're gonna clean this all out as best we can. All right, now here's the tricky part. This is printed up, meaning that it's supposed to be pointing up, but the actual flow in this vehicle goes down. As you saw, all the debris and everything was on top. And a lot of times manufacturers will point the flow direction, and sometimes they'll point the direction of install. That's the way that we're going to install it, even though that we know the airflow is going down. That's all we have to do is just push that back into that little opening. Now that it's all cleaned out in there, you can see here, it also is labeled up. Let's put the cover back on. And that's pretty easy. It just snaps into place. And then finally, the little access panel here, we just put those little two tabs in on the left and press that in. And you're done. Quick and easy job. There's really no reason to pay somebody to do that for you unless you just really want to, but dealers are charging quite a bit of money for that replacement cabin air filter, and you can see how easy that is to do, and these are relatively inexpensive. I hope you like the video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. I'll get a link in the description where you can pick up a replacement filter for your vehicle as well. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.